Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the slow Google Chrome in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So we will be fixing the browser here. So the first thing we need to do is to open our Google Chrome browser and just make a double click on the icon there. So let me just expand this one and let me just choose for a Google account. So once you're in here and you have this kind of window, all you need to do is just to go to the upper right corner. So please go to the upper right corner. You will see this three dot icon just below the exit button. So please go to the three dot icon there. That is the customize and control Google Chrome option. So please click on that. And once you do that, you will be able to see all this sort of options here. If you scroll down till the bottom, you will see the settings option. Now, once you click on the settings option, you will be able to see here the settings, all the kind of options here under settings of the Google Chrome browser. So if you scroll down till the bottom, you will see this about Chrome. So you can update your Google Chrome in this section. If you click on that, it will automatically check for updates. And if you see, or if you read, and if you get this notification Chrome is up to date, then you're good to go. But if you see that the Google Chrome is still updating or downloading the updates, then just please for the updates to be done. And then once you're done with this one, we can proceed with the extension. So you will see the extensions right above the About Chrome option. So please click on extensions. Once you do that, you will be able to see all the extensions that you have added in your Google Chrome browser. So in my case, I have the Adobe and the Microsoft Bing homepage. So if you see in your case or in your device the extension that you have added are now unnecessary and you don't use that often, then you can remove it. So just click this remove button here and it will be removed from the Google Chrome browser that you have in your device. Once you're done with this one, all we need to do is just to reset the settings. So we can do that by simply going again with the three dot icon here at the very top right corner and scroll down, go to settings again. Here we will be looking for the reset settings option, this one. So please click on that, and then once you do that, you will see here in the right hand section the restore settings to their original defaults option. So once you click on that, it will say that the reset settings, so this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data, but the bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. So once you click on reset settings, it will do this action here. And then once you do that, or once you click on reset settings, just close this browser, open it, and you have now fixed the slow Google Chrome browser in your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.